I feel so tired.
You should take a rest.
No, I can't.
She can. She has to do homework.
I'm going to clean the whole house.
You shouldn't try so hard. What should I do to help you? You mustn't break the leaf. You must recycle.
Okay, I am sorry.
Must you go to class today?
Yes, I must go. Would you like to go ice cream?
I would love to, but I can't. I had to clean my apartment.
Would you like to watch horror movie?
I love to, but I can't. I had to work. How about playing basketball tonight?
No, I can't.
That sounds great, but she can't. She has to do her laundry.